Uncertain about what to anticipate when visiting Croatia's Brac Island, or perhaps you're seeking ideas for things to do on the island of Brač, gathering information for your vacation, or debating whether going to Brač as a day excursion for Split is worthwhile, watch this video and let us help you. One of Croatia's most stunning summer holiday spots is the island of Brač. The island's landmark and ultimate dream beach, Zlatni Rat, is particularly well known around the world and is featured on innumerable Croatian postcards and travel publications. Few individuals are aware of Brač's myriad additional attractions, however. Visitors may anticipate a variety of activities: unspoiled nature, tall mountains, intriguing beaches, and incredibly attractive resort that truly capture the essence of Croatia. Croatia has a real dream island that draws visitors back time and time again. The island of Brač may have a history that dates back to the Bronze and Iron Ages, according to evidence discovered there. The island was originally given the name Brentos, which means stag, by the Illyrians, and afterwards given the name Elaphusa by the Greeks, who were never controlling the island. The island of Brač afterwards joined the Roman Empire like much of Dalmatia. However, there are a few signs of the empire left today. On Brač there are many resorts located all around the island. Bol on the island's south and Supetar in the north are two of the most well-known locations. Sumartin, Sutivan, Milna and Postira are further quaint seaside towns. While you're enjoying these awesome drone shots, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell. We are posting videos like this twice a week and we would hate for you to miss it. Ferries are the most frequent means of transport to Brač. Either from Split or another option, Makarska town, the island is easily accessible. Brač Island is well known for its scenic bays and swimming areas, which provide the ideal setting for an enjoyable seaside vacation. The largest island in Dalmatia and the third largest island in the Adriatic Sea by area, Brač Island covers 395 square kilometers. Brač's Zlatni Rat beach, also known as the Golden Horn, is regarded as one of Croatia's most stunning beaches and helped make the island famous worldwide. Excitement is assured on this fantasy island because of the numerous other wonderful beaches, the countless opportunities for activities like hiking, bicycling, windsurfing and the many attractions. The marble known as the Brač is likewise renowned across the world. This unique stone was used to construct structures like the White House in Washington, the Reichstag in Berlin, the Hofburg in Vienna, and Diocletian's Palace in Split. However, this stone is a snow-white limestone that is mined from quarries close to Puja, not actual marble. Supetar, one of the most well-liked vacation destinations on Brač, has 3,500 residents, making it the biggest town there. It is close to Split by ferry and is situated on the north shore. Here the harbor and small old town are very lovely. Quaint restaurants and konobas surround the waterfront and serve as the main tourist attraction. The Supetar parish church, which effectively sums up the gorgeous townscape, is well worth visiting. On Brač, the beaches of Supetar are likewise excellent and ideal for a leisurely beach vacation. Additionally, you may find a wide variety of excellent hotels and restaurants that will make your stay on Brac Island unforgettable.